Okay, guys. So welcome back. Today we will learn on Form 4 Chapter 4. Okay, for Maths. Okay, bab 4 tingkatan 4 matematik tambahan. Alright, so this chapter is talking on your indices, surds and logarithms. Okay, bab index, surd dan juga logaritma. Okay, so over here of course got three parts lah in this chapter, guys. Okay, ada tiga bahagian lah yang kamu kena faham. Okay, first one is index, second is surd, third is log. Okay, so you must understand that all these three parts are actually related in this chapter. Okay, ketiga-tiga bahagian ni sebenarnya berhubung kait. So kalau kamu tak faham index, contoh, let's say you don't understand indices in this chapter, it is hard for you to understand surd and logarithm. Do you understand me, guys? Kalau kamu tak faham bahagian index, maksudnya surd dan logaritma kamu automatically akan lemah. Okay? Alright. So most important part in this chapter is your formulas. Okay, apa yang paling penting adalah semua rumus. So kamu kena kuasai rumus. If you understand and master the formula, then you can most likely answer most of the questions. Okay, alright. So now, okay, so I give you all a code to start the lesson. Okay, so what is the code? Okay, so the code is every morning you have two choices: continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. Okay, so this is the code lah for today lesson. Okay, guys. So may I know SPM how many days lah, guys? SPM berapa hari lagi? Perlukah saya ingatkan kamu? Do I still need to remember you? Index, right? We belajar waktu. Yes, basic is from your Form 3 Modern Maths, guys. For your indices. Okay, basic is from tingkatan 3. Okay, alright. So we direct go to the concepts or formulas. Okay, so for your index got some formulas that you must understand. Okay, so first formula for index. Okay, so first thing you must know this formula. Okay, so I think this one you all learn in Form 3 Maths. Am I right? Okay, tingkatan 3 Mathematics. So basically the concept is if I have x power negative 3, how can I write it, guys? Kalau saya ada contoh macam ni, macam mana saya boleh tulis dia berdasarkan rumus ni based on this formula? How can I modify it? Anyone? Yes, simple as that. 1 over x power 3. That's all. Okay, so you can apply this to any single negative power variable that you see. Kamu boleh aplikasikan kepada mana-mana pemboleh ubah negatif yang kamu nampak. Okay? Alright. So the next concept that you all need to know in indices is this one. Okay, kamu kena faham yang ni, guys. 2 power 0 is always equal to 1. Okay, 2 kuasa kosong sama dengan 1. So guys, let's say I have a number 1000. 1000 power 0. What is the answer, guys? 1000 kuasa kosong, berapa jawapan dia? Come on. May I know what's your answer? Yes. Okay, the answer should be 1. Okay, no matter what is your number, always answer 1. Okay, so anyone know? What should I say? How do we actually prove this, guys? Does anyone know how? Siapa tahu macam mana nak buktikan yang ni? Anyone know over here? Cannot. Selain calculator, guys. Other than calculator, I mean by using a working step dengan menggunakan jalan kira. Macam mana buktikan yang ni? Anyone know this? This one they got show you in your textbook actually, if you guys are aware. Okay, buku teks kamu ada. So anyone know? Share your knowledge, guys. Kongsi ilmu kalau kamu tahu yang ni. You have to like one. No other choice. Okay. 1 minus 1. Yes. Okay, I think one person got the correct answer. Okay, guys. So how to prove this is actually 2 power 0 you must think is equal to what, guys? 2 kuasa kosong ni sama dengan apa? What can you think? Besides number 1, selain 1. You can think of it as 2 power 1 over 2 power 1. Am I right, guys? 2 kuasa 1 bahagi 2 kuasa 1, kamu dapat yang ni kan? Okay, because when you divide, your power must minus, guys. Always in indices. Okay, whenever you see divide sign, power minus. Okay, so it's 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, you get 0. So, guys, 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 1 is 2. So, what's the answer, guys? Apa jawapan dia? 1. So, this is how we prove it lah, guys. Simple or not? Senang tak? So easy, right? How to prove it? So this is the major concept. This one. You must remember this concept. Kena ingat konsep ni. Alright? Okay. So this is the basic of your index lah. Okay, there are more rules. Okay, there are 4 over here. 4 petua yang kamu kena ingat, guys. Okay, first one. Yes. That's why you must know how to apply, apply the formula in concept of the question. That's the most tough thing lah, guys. Untuk kamu aplikasikan semua petua ni dalam soalan. Yang tu kena ada pengalaman. You must have experience one to do more question. I don't think all is given, but some are given. Okay, sebilangan daripada yang ni akan diberi. No, we just started only, don't worry. Yes, this chapter like guys proving. Bab ni suka sangat membuktikan, especially about your log. Log banyak buktikan bab ni. Okay, logarithms you guys must know how to do the proving. Okay, index and surd not really a lot. Index can have, index also have, but surd not really a lot. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now whenever you see two numbers same base, they times, the power must plus. Okay, kalau dua nombor asal sama didarab, kuasa tambah. I think you all should know this, right? By now, kamu kena tahu dah yang ni. So guys, may I know what's the answer? If 2 power 3 times 2 power 2, can you write me what is your answer? Jangan bagi tahu nilai dia, bagi tahu saya dalam bentuk index. Give me in the index form. Yes, 2 power 5. Very good. Okay, so means you understand lah the rule. Okay, then the second rule is if you divide two number of same base. Okay, kamu bahagi dua nombor yang asal sama, kuasa kena tolak. Okay, power you must minus. Okay, so I give you another example. Okay, let's say 7 power 0 over 7 power 1. May I know what is the answer, guys? Apa jawapan dia dalam bentuk index? Yes. Okay, 7 power negative 1. Correct. Very good. Okay, guys, if I ask you, I want another way to write my answer. Just now only you learn the rule. Saya nak satu lagi kaedah boleh tulis jawapan ni. Can anyone tell me what is the answer? Very good. Okay, this is your first rule, guys. Ini adalah petua pertama kamu. Can you all see, guys? A power negative n equal to 1 over a power n. Okay, so that's why you can write it out as 1 over 7, 1/7. Okay, all right. So now, the third rule. Okay, this third rule is very useful. Yang ketiga ni sangat berguna. Okay, so whenever you have a index, power another number, okay, satu index dikuasakan lagi, you must times both of the powers. Okay, kamu kena darab dua-dua kuasa. Okay, example, let's say I give you 2 power 5 and then 3. Okay, so what is the answer, guys? Apa jawapan dia? Guys, whatever I say here, right, it may seem very simple to you. Am I right? Dia nampak sangat mudah kan bagi kamu. But actually, a lot of you forget this when answer the question. Am I right, guys? Kamu semua lupa tentang hukum ni. That's why tak boleh jawab soalan admaths. Betul atau tidak, guys? Secara jujur. Honestly, you don't know how to answer the question is because you all forget all these basic rules. Okay? So that's why I actually go through all this. Dia nampak senang, tapi bila dalam exam, dia tak senang macam kamu fikir sekarang. Itu yang saya maksudkan. That's why you guys need to know. Okay, so yes, this is 2 power 15. Just to refresh back your concepts. Okay, ulang kaji saja. Alright. Okay, this is a rule we rarely use. Okay, jarang-jarang kita guna yang ni. But it's also very useful. Okay, so this rule is you have two numbers times each other, power one number. Okay, dua nombor darab kuasa satu nombor, you can split the power. Okay, kamu boleh pisahkan kuasa tu kepada dua-dua nombor. Okay, quite logic. Okay, example. Let's say I have 3 times 4 and then power 3. So what is the answer, guys? According to that rule just now. Apa jawapan dia for this one? Anyone? Come on. Apa jawapan dia, guys? Yes. Okay, 3 power 3 times 4 power 3. Very good. Okay, 3 kuasa 3 kali 4 kuasa 3. Okay, so remember this rule also. Kena ingat yang ni. Okay, macam mana tahu rumus ni sah atau tidak? How to know whether this formula is valid or not? You just press calculator lah, guys. Tekan calculator saja. Tekan nilai ni dalam calculator, tekan nilai ni dalam calculator. Kamu akan dapat jawapan sama. you will get the same answer. Means the rule is correct lah. Yes, you have to times the power inside, guys. Kamu kena darab masuk kuasa 3. Okay, so that's how you get this. Alright? So you just remember the pattern. Okay, ingat pola dia saja. Okay, so actually these are only the rules that you all learn in indices. Am I right, guys? 6 petua saja. Only 6. That's all. Others is all application already. Okay, kamu kena aplikasi dalam soalan saja. Alright? Alright, so now we look at the third rule, guys. Hukum third. Okay, for third is very few. Sangat-sangat kurang. Okay, so some is not given here. Okay, I will show you some example. Okay, guys, may I know how do we write this? Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya jawapan dia? If I have something like this, what is my answer over here? May I know? This one now, guys, I am relating third to indices. Saya tengah hubungkan bab index dengan third sekarang. So apa jawapan dia? Yes. Okay, over here you need to know third and also indices. Okay, so first part, third. What is the power of these guys? May I know? Apa kuasa bagi simbol ni? What is the power? Yes. A power 1/2. This is third, guys. Macam mana kamu dapat ni adalah dari pengetahuan third. Your third knowledge. But now, guys, this one, how you know how to get the answer is by using your index rule. Am I right? Kamu guna hukum index. Kuasa darab. Okay, you times the power. So that's why your answer get 1/2n. Boleh faham tak, guys? This is where the indices is actually related to the third. Okay, index tu berhubung kait dengan bab third. Alright? So this is one of the rule. Another type is this one. Okay, so when you have two third times together, you can combine them under one square root. Okay, so example, square root 5 times square root 3. What is the answer, guys? May I know? Apa jawapan dia? Third 5 kali third 3. What's the answer, guys? Come on. Yes, square root 15. Okay, that's all lah. You can press calculator also if you want to check and see really correct or not this rule. Okay, tekan calculator saja. Alright, so guys, this one is one way. Ini adalah satu hala. But guys, may I ask, can I reverse the process? Yes or no? Can I break down third 15 to become third 5 and third 3? Boleh tak saya cerakinkan third 15 tu jadi balik third 5 darab third 3? Yes, boleh. So kamu kena tahu dua hala, guys. You must know how to do it two ways. Okay, because sometimes they'll ask you to simplify the third. Kamu kena permudahkan third. So how you simplify, guys, is based on the numbers that you can square root. Okay, your perfect squares. Nombor kuasa 2 sempurna. Okay, example. I give you maybe, let me think and see. Wait, guys. Let me think of an example. Okay, never mind lah, I just give a random number. Okay, so let's say I give you 55. So guys, may I know how do I simplify this? Macam mana saya kena permudahkan yang ni? Anyone can give suggestion? Third 55. Macam mana saya boleh tulis yang ni? How do I write this? Think and see. Yes, very good. Third 11 times third 5. Okay, over here you cannot simplify anymore. Kamu tak boleh permudahkan lagi dah. So that's why you just leave your answer like that. Third 11 times third 5. Okay, 11 you cannot simplify. 5 you cannot simplify. Guys, you must understand. The third that you can simplify is if the number is a perfect square only. Okay, kalau nombor dalam third tu adalah nombor kuasa 2 sempurna, baru kamu boleh permudahkan. Okay, selalu ingat yang tu. 55 can use calculator equal then shift. This one you are finding the exact value, is it? Of third 55. Is that what you're asking? Maybe some calculator, the canggih one. Okay. Understand, yes. The canggih calculator, right? They can show you this answer directly. Am I right, guys? Boleh kan? For those that use ClassWiz or something like that. But for the normal people, untuk orang biasa yang guna calculator ni, FX570MS, no lah, not all calculator. Okay, you cannot do this. So you must know how to apply the rule. Kena tahu cara nak cerakinkan third. Okay, you must know how to break it down. Alright? Okay, so next one. Next one is about divide, guys. Okay, bahagi. Okay, so when you take a third divide another cert. Okay, example, cert 2 over cert 5. Okay guys, may I ask, if let's say I suddenly add a number 3 over here, katakan saya tambah punca kuasa 3 kat nombor 5. Boleh tak saya guna hukum ni guys? Can I use this rule over here? Yes or no? The second one. Yes or no? Yang ni, this one. Yes. Okay, you must remember the root must be the same value. Okay, punca kuasa tu kena nilai sama. Kalau 3 kat bawah, 3 kat atas juga, baru boleh guna petua tu. You can only apply the rule for the same order of the root. Okay, order of the root means that is it the second order, third order? This one we call as third order lah. Okay, I think BM is peringkat ketiga kot, kalau tak silap. Okay, so it must be same order. All right, so then you can just combine like this. Okay, so this one is 3. Boleh faham guys? Do you understand this rule over here? Can, right? So far a lot of rules already. 6 for index, 3 for cert. Total 9 dah. Okay, already 9 rules that you all must know. So now come to the log. Log ada banyak. Log have a lot of rules. Who don't like log over here guys? Siapa tak suka log? Cuba komen. Who don't like log? A lot of you don't like, right? I know one. It's a common trend in SPM guys. Not only your batch one. Semua batch pun sama. Yes, you just have to start to like it. Kena cari kaedah untuk suka dia. Okay, so actually log, right? It is love-hate. Love-hate is with admats, not only log. Am I right? Okay, generally you guys all love-hate with admats. Betul? Okay, so now log you can actually relate to index. Do you all know that? Okay, log tu sebenarnya berkaitan dengan index. Okay, got some formula over here, you can see why. Okay, so never mind. We follow the order. Okay, so the first order is the most important one. So guys, this one is how you convert from log form to index form. Am I right guys? Cara tukar bentuk logaritma ke bentuk index. Okay, so example. I use the example given lah. Very easy. So guys, this is what we call as log form, bentuk logaritma. So how do we convert it guys to index? Okay, so what do we call this guys? The A value. Can anyone tell me what is the term for that? Apa yang kita panggil nilai A tu? Yes. Okay, kita panggil dia sebagai base. Am I right? Asas. Macam topik asas nombor kamu dalam modern maths. Masih ingat guys? Number bases. Same lah. Same concept. This one is base A. Asas A. Alright? So you always start with the base. Okay, mula dengan base. Then you throw it to the right hand side. Kamu buang dia ke sebelah kanan. This is how I always say lah. You just throw it to the right hand side. Okay, so you will get power C. So it's A power C equal to D, the left hand side. Nombor nilai dia kat sebelah kiri. Do you guys get it? So this is how you convert the log form to index form. Okay, so I try with a number. Okay, saya bagi nombor kat kamu. So guys, this one is not correct guys. Yang ni tak betul lah. Saya saja bagi untuk bagi kamu faham saja. So can anyone tell me what's the answer? Apa jawapan dia? Yes. Okay, you will get 3 equal to 2 power 5. So this is how you apply the rule. Okay, but of course over here 3 is not equal to 2 power 5 lah. Dia tak sama. Okay, alright. So now, if you can convert log form to index form, can you convert index to log form guys? Yes or no? Adakah kamu boleh tukar balik dari index ke log? Yang tu pun kena tahu. You must know two way. Just like tadi. You must always train your mind to do two ways. Kena tahu buat dua hal lah. Okay? So, example. I give another example. Okay, so maybe log 4, 16. Sorry. I simply tell the answer to you already. Never mind. Okay, so 2 power 4 equal to 16. May I know what is the log form guys for this? Apa bentuk logaritma dia? Anyone? Think and see how to write it out. Macam mana tulis. You just type out normally only guys. I will understand. Saya akan faham cara kamu type. Okay. Log base 2 16 equal to 4. Yes. Very good. Okay. Your answer will be log base 2 16 equal to 4. Boleh faham guys? So guys, this is where we use the indices rule guys. Okay. Nanti kamu akan nampak there is another rule over here. How to get log 2 16 equal to 4. You check and see. There are two ways actually. Ada dua cara. Okay, first, before that, you must know some common concept. Okay, log BB, you will get 1. Okay, kamu selalu akan dapat nombor 1. Kalau asas log dan nombor dia adalah sama. If the base of the log and number is same. Okay, so example, log 55. What is the answer, guys? Apa jawapan dia? Log 55? Yes, very simple, right? 1. Okay, so that's how you apply it. Okay, so the other one, log B1 is equal to 0. So this is another important one. You must memorize. Whatever the base, tak kira apa-apa asas dia, kalau kamu nampak 1 kat sini, jawapan dia automatically kosong. Okay, your answer is confirm 0 already, no matter what is your base. Okay, so log 10 one example is 0. Okay, so now, these two is same like your index. Do you see, guys? Pattern dia sama macam index kan? Kalau darab, kena tambah. Kalau bahagi, kena tolak. Okay, when you times two number, you must add up. And then when you divide two number, you must minus. But you must separate the log. Kena pisahkan jadi dua log berasingan. Okay, two separate log. Okay, do you guys understand this? This one very important now, guys. You always use this formula one. Every single question related to log, pasti kamu akan guna salah satu daripada ni. At least one. Okay? Yes, index and log is like family, correct? Okay, both of them are related one. Okay, so this one is another important rule. Okay, so example, guys. Wait. I use this one to explain to you. So guys, 16. Can anyone tell me 16 is equal to what? May I know? Think and see. How can I write 16 in another way? Macam mana saya boleh tulis nombor 16 dalam cara lain? Okay, beside 4 power 2. Kalau saya tak nak 4 power 2. Yes, you can think as 2 power 4. Am I right? So guys, this is where we apply the rule. Kuasa boleh pindah ke depan. Any power you can always shift in front for the log. This is the special property of log. Index cert tak boleh buat yang ni. Betul? If you see indices and cert, you have a power, right? You cannot simply put it to the front. Am I right? Hanya bila kamu ada log. When you have log only, you can do this. Okay? So you will get, this one is 1, right? Log 2 adalah 1. One of the rules. So you have 4 times 1. So that's why your answer is 4. Understand? Boleh faham, guys? Senang kan? Very easy, right? To get it. Okay, 1 or 2, guys. 1 faham, 2 tak faham. 1 understand, 2 don't understand. Okay, can Okay. So basically these are all your, got one more. Okay, one more formula. Okay, when you add new base, okay, tambah satu lagi asas baru. Okay, so you must know also how to convert. This one also quite important because our main aim in log, right, is to get every single term in the equation to have same base. Okay, kita kena dapat setiap ungkapan dalam persamaan tu, kalau ada log, asas dia kena sama. Itu konsep dia. So that's why yang ni sangat penting. Okay, so example, log 25. So guys, if I want to change to log 10, can anyone tell me what is the answer? Kalau saya nak tukar ni kepada asas 10, how do you write it? Anyone? Usually our calculation, right, for log is always in base 10. Kamu hanya boleh guna calculator kalau dia dalam asas 10. Okay, untuk log. You can only use your calculator for base 10. Yes. Okay, so you will get log 10 5 over log 10 2. Okay, so this one you just press calculator lah. Okay, tekan calculator saja. Alright. So guys, one more thing over here, right? Usually, I don't know whether you know this. Saya tak tahu, sama ada kamu tahu. Biasanya, kalau log asal 10 kan, kadang-kadang soalan akan tulis macam ni. Pernah nampak? Okay, usually log 10, right? Sometimes the question will tell LG. Make sure, jangan takut bila nampak yang ni. Don't be scared when you suddenly see this. This actually mean log base 10. Okay, dia maksud asas 10. Just like your number bases, guys. Okay, macam asas nombor kamu saja. So guys, kalau asas tu asas 10, adakah kamu tulis 10 ke bawah? Yes or no? If your number is in base 10, example I tell you, 55, just a number lah, random. Do I need to write 55 base 10, guys? When I do my maths, bila buat matematik biasa? Tak. Am I right? Yes. Sama untuk log. Log asas 10 macam nombor, asas nombor kamu, asas 10. Okay, same concept. Usually you no need to write it. But if you want to write, kalau nak tulis yang ni masih boleh. Tak ada masalah. No problem. Okay? Both way also can. Alright? Okay. So, yeah, I think this is all the rules. Okay, one more part on log is about the ln, guys. Okay, you must understand what is ln. Okay, so what? Anyone? May I know what is ln? Ln is equal to what? Yang ni kena tahu. Yes. Okay, ln, remember guys, is equal to log base E. You must understand this. Log base E. Okay, jangan takut. Kenapa ada asas E tiba-tiba? Okay, don't worry. You can use your calculator, guys. Okay, do you see the symbol E power X over here, guys? Nampak kan? Kalau guna calculator model ni. Okay, it's E power X symbol tu. Okay, so anyone knows what does the E stand for? What is the meaning of E? Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? What is the meaning of E? Okay, Ken? Correct, boleh? Okay, exponent. Correct. Okay, so you can actually say it is exponential lah. Okay, this is one of the type of graph we have, guys. Have you heard of this graph, guys? Exponential graph. Exponential graph adalah graph yang bertambah secara mendadak. Okay, the graph looks something like this. It comes from the log base E1. It go up very fast. Dia mendadak sangat cepat. Okay, yes, natural logarithm, correct. Okay, this is what we call as the natural logarithm. Guys, and one more. We don't call this as in, guys. Siapa panggil yang ni in, habis kamu. Yes. Okay, we call this as ln, not in, because some people got message me and ask question. Teacher, this in 5 equal to in 8. I thinking what in lah? Oh, CC ln. Guys, please don't make this mistake, guys. It's pronounced as ln. So next time when you communicate with me, make sure you pronounce correctly. Hujan bertutur tengah datang kan? Your speaking test. Am I right? BMBI. So kalau kamu pronounce salah, habislah kamu. Okay, harap dia tak tanya yang ni lah dalam hujan bertutur. Okay, hopefully they don't involve this math symbol. Tomorrow, guys, how come tomorrow? Test one. I thought real exam. I got scared already. Lucky. Test one only, what? Why you nervous? Just test only lah. Trial and error. Okay, so I think this is basically all that you all learn in your log, if not mistaken. Yeah. Okay, got one more part is called as the anti-log. Do you all know that, guys? Anti-log. Anti-log is basically just the negative sign only lah. Okay, tanda negative sahaja. Okay, so actually that one is still the same concept as log. Yes, inverse log only. Correct. Okay. All right. So we direct jump to the questions, guys. Kita terus pergi soalan trial. Anti-log and ln is different, right? Yes, different. Okay. But usually the question, they never ask so much on anti-log. Okay, you don't see that word so much in the trial questions lah. Okay, it's not really famous. Ln is famous. Okay, ln they like to ask a lot. Okay, so now guys, this question. So guys, you see, this is an example of the latest trial question. So you see, they will combine surd and logarithm in the under one question. Okay, dua bahagian dalam satu soalan. So you must know how to do. Okay, one more part I forget to talk about the surd, conjugate surd. Sorry, I forget this one. Let me add new page lah. Easier. Okay, guys. So about conjugate surd, can anyone tell me what is the meaning of it? Apa maksud dia? Surd conjugate. Anyone can explain to me in a simple manner, very simple, sangat mudah. Boleh terangkan tak? Apa maksud yang ni? Very good. When there is a surd in a denominator, you use it. Correct. Hilangkan penyebut yang ada surd. Correct. Times but with opposite symbol. Correct. Very good. Okay, so guys, example. Let's say you got a question like this. Okay, this one I never start with the symbol yet. Saya tak mula lagi dengan symbol. So guys, what is the conjugate surd here? Very simple. Apa surd conjugate kat sini? Sangat senang. Anyone? Yes. Okay, if you don't have symbol, kalau kamu tak nampak simbol tambah tolak, you just times back the same thing only lah. Yes, copy paste. Kalau tak nampak simbol. Okay guys, you must remember in the Form 4 Chapter 4 at Maths, jangan tinggal jawapan macam ni. Don't leave your answer like this. They don't like to see surd at the denominator, guys. Every single question also. Mereka tak suka nampak surd kat bawah pecahan, kat penyebut dia. Okay, so remember to always rationalize it. Kena rasionalkan penyebut pecahan. Okay, by using this concept, third conjugate. Okay, all right. So now let's say I give you a different type of question. Okay, so maybe 2 over third 2 plus 1. So guys, what is the conjugate third here? Very good. Okay, so always you must opposite symbol. Okay, symbol bertentangan saja. Very simple. Then you just continue expand only. Kembangkan macam biasa. Okay, over here you will do your quadratic. Am I right? This is your quadratic expansion. A plus B, A minus B. Sama dengan apa guys? A plus B, A minus B, what do you get? By now you should know it straight away already. Sampai sekarang kamu kena tahu dah. What is your answer? Yes. Okay, your pattern is A square minus B square. Ini pola dia. So you can apply kat sini. Okay? Alright. So yeah, now we can go to the questions. Alright. So your first question is related to the surds. Okay. So they want you to rationalize the denominator and simplify. So guys, what is the conjugate surd here? May I know? Apa surd conjugate kamu? Come on. Anyone? Yes. Okay, so you just times surd2 plus 2 over surd2 plus 2. Okay, guys, do you know why we need to times it up and also down? Kenapa kita kena darab dia ke atas dan juga bawah juga? Kenapa satu saja tak boleh? Siapa tahu? Why we cannot just times it by surd2 plus 2? Sorry, yeah, like this. Why this one cannot? Kenapa yang ni tak boleh? Anyone? Okay, but wow, Kai, very smart lah. So guys, if I ask you to jump down into the river, you guys also jump down lah into the river. Kalau saya suruh kamu terjun sungai, kamu juga terjun lah. Tak payah ambil SPM Okay, very good lah you guys. Monkey see, monkey do. Very smart. Okay, so what is the correct answer, guys? Not really need same denominator. Yes, Samantha. Equal to 1, guys. Sama dengan 1. Later they ask who is Bhuvan. Then you explain lah. Because the third tak hilang. Not really. The main answer is because it must be equal to 1. Okay, so guys, this value over here is 1. Am I right? Kamu tekan yang ni dalam calculator, nilai dia 1 kan? Because it's the exact same thing. Dia benda sama. So guys, whenever you modify an equation, you can only modify it by 1. Do you understand me? Kamu hanya boleh modifikasikan persamaan ni dengan darab 1. Sebab kalau kamu darab 1, kamu tak ubah soalan dia. Faham tak? When you times by 1, you don't change the question. You're just maintaining the same thing. Because 2 over 2 minus 2 times 1, what do you get? You get back this, right? Kamu dapat yang ni balik. So that is the concept, guys. Do you all understand now why we need to same number up and down? Okay, because it must be always equal to 1. Kena sama dengan 1. Okay? Alright, so then you just solve normally lah. Okay, selesaikan macam biasa. Okay, so you do your expansion. Okay, so this one is A square minus B square. Okay, so you will get 2 square minus 2 square. Okay, so you will get 2 tolak 4. Okay, make sure you simplify your answer. Kena permudahkan. Okay, so you can cut up and down and then you add the negative. Okay, because you have a negative at the bottom. Okay, so negative 2 plus 2, expand, kembangkan negatif masuk dalam, you will get this answer. Okay, do you guys understand this question? Boleh faham kan? Senang kan? Very simple, right? This one also you get 3 marks already lah, guys. Kamu dah dapat 3 markah dengan hanya jawab soalan ni. Sangat untung lah. Okay, so simple. 3 marks already. Okay, you guys, you see the difference, this question so simple, 3 marks. This question so hard, only 2 marks. Logic, guys. You think and see. Hard question only give 2 marks. Simple question give 3 marks. So they actually want to help you lah. Mereka nak bantu kamu saja. Okay, so that you can score better in SPM. That's the reason. Okay. Alright. So now, showing question come already. Soalan buktikan, guys. So how to show this? Macam mana tunjuk yang ni? So you guys want to start from the left hand side or right hand side? May I know? Kamu nak mula dari sebelah kiri atau kanan untuk mula pembuktian kamu? Okay, very good. Okay guys, always remember, start with the more complex side. Kamu kena mula dengan mana yang nampak lebih kompleks. Okay. Actually, for this situation, right, I feel both side also complex lah. Okay, dua-dua pun sama kompleks. So if you want to start from the right hand side, also no problem. Can. Okay, it depends on your personal preference. Okay, bergantung pada diri kamu. Okay, so the simple way I will see it is, I will start from the left hand side. Okay, so guys, if I want to change the left hand side, what should I do over here? May I know? Macam mana saya boleh ubah bahagian kiri? What is the rule I need to use? Apa petua kamu kena guna? Selalu fikir guys, bila soalan log keluar selalu fikir, petua apa saya kena guna? What rule I must use? Because only the rules can help you to answer the question. Pisahkan H dan K, okay, correct? So macam mana? Macam mana kamu nak pisahkan dia? How do you want to like separate it? Open plus. Yes, which one, Kai? Specific. Which log rule, guys? Is it what to say, bring the power in front, or what to say, change base? Which one? What rule? Guys, kamu tak boleh terus bagi tahu jawapan. Okay, yes. Wait. Yes, separate to two log, correct? So guys, over here we are just adding a new base. Okay, kita hanya akan tambah asas baru saja. So guys, may I know what base will we add over here? What is the value of the base? Apa nilai asas yang kita kena tambah kat sini? Anyone? So how to know? Nope, it's not A3. It's not A cube. Guys, I bagi tips. Yes, very good. You need correct. Okay, you need to change to log A, guys. Kamu kena tambah asas baru yaitu A. Okay, so guys, why I change to A? Because you see your right hand side, guys. You have log base A. Am I right? Kamu nampak bahagian kanan kamu ada log asas A. Kat sini A kuasa 3, guys. You have A cube. So definitely you're going to add a new base. Am I right? Pasti kamu akan tambah base yang baru, asas baru. So ini cara minda kamu kena berfikir. Okay, you must think like this. Yes. Okay, so when you add new base, you will get log A HK over log A cube. Okay guys, nilai ni berapa? Terus, tak perlu panjang cerita. Direct tell me what is the answer. So if you're very power in log dah, kamu tak perlu buat satu-satu lah. You just direct to the answer. Okay, jawapan dia 3. Alright? So, kamu boleh tulis ni 3. So now guys, this one, if 2 number times, what happened to the log? May I know? 2 nombor darab. So darab jadi apa? Simbol apa? Yes. Okay, tambah. So you just separate lah. Log AH over 3 plus log AK over 3. Settle. We already proven. Can you see guys? Kita dah dapat jawapan. Senang tak? Very simple, right? So the main concept is kamu kena tahu apa asas baru yang kamu kena tambah. You must know what is the new base you need to add in the question. Okay, so the new base you need to add over here is A. Alright? Okay. So can proceed guys? Boleh pergi lagi? Can, right? Okay, so part C. Okay, part C is related to part B. Dia hubung kait. Okay, because they use the word hence. Seterusnya. Bila nampak perkataan ni, selalu lihat jawapan atas. Refer to your on top answer. Okay, so this one is something similar. Am I right? It looks similar to your answer just now. So guys, may I know, this one is equal to what? The green color that I circle. Apa jawapan dia? Just refer on top only. Lihat atas saja. You will know the answer. Anyone? How can I write the green color one differently? Macam mana saya boleh tulis dia? H equal to 3. Yes, very good. Okay, so your answer is log A cube and then 3Q. So this is how I change lah guys. Okay, so why I change like this? Kenapa saya tukar macam ni? Because I want to convert the log form to the index form. Do you see this guys? I can convert, right? Whenever you have only one log on the left hand side and right hand side is a constant, kat bahagian kanan tu pemala, bahagian kiri log, selalu ingat, kamu boleh tukar bentuk log ke bentuk index. Clear tak guys? You can always convert your log form to index form. But syarat, dia kena hanya ada satu log dalam persamaan tu. only one log. Okay. So now you can convert lah. So guys, what is the equation from here? May I know? Apa persamaan yang kamu boleh dapat? Anyone? Think and see. How to convert log form to index form? Apa jawapan dia? Anyone? Boleh type jawapan? Think and see. How to convert? Yes, very good. Okay, A kuasa 3 sama dengan 3Q. Am I right, guys? Okay, you take the base, power the number on right hand side. Base, power, number 1. So still maintain as A cube equal to the number on the left hand side. So that's how you get this answer. Boleh faham? Log A cube. Oh, kamu salin balik saja jawapan kat B. Okay, tengok kat sini. Yang ni sama dengan yang ni. Betul? Nampak persamaan dia tak? Do you see the similarity? Yes, right? So means that this one can actually direct equal to this one. Can you see it now? So the only difference over here is 3. 3 is your H value. Boleh nampak tak? Can you see? Yes, yang ni adalah bab form 4 chapter 4. Indices, surd dan logarithm. Admaths. Matematik tambahan. Okay? So how come Math SPM 2024 so many money calculation? Maths? Why you suddenly talk about maths lah? Later I'll answer your question. If it's not about Admaths, I don't answer yet, guys. We talk later. Tama baze masa. Okay? Alright. So this one, they ask you to express Q in terms of A. Okay? Ungkapkan Q dalam sebutan A. So how? You just put Q on your left hand side equal to A on the right hand side. Boleh faham, guys? So this is your answer lah. Okay, ini adalah jawapan kamu. Do you understand or not, guys? This question. Boleh faham ke tak? 1 atau 2? 1 or 2? Come on. I need your number. Okay, all 1, Wow, you use the correct time, Kai? Correct. Log XX. Very good. As long you never give me log X square, guys. Siapa bagi saya log X square? Habis kamu. You know already. Means you never focus well already in the lesson. Okay, wow, you use your indices very well, Very good. Okay, so next question. Okay, so this is what we call as application question, guys. Soalan aplikasi harian. Why? Because they talk about a shape. Mereka bincang pasal bentuk macam ni. Okay, so usually this kind of question will be kebat lah. Okay, but it's not that hard. Don't worry. Tak sangat susah. It's still very doable. Okay, so for this question, they ask you to express H. Okay, kamu kena ungkapkan H dalam bentuk yang ni. Okay, so make sure your final answer is in this format. Tak boleh selain format ni. Okay, alright. So now, the information you have is this one. Okay, jumlah luas permukaan diberi yang ni. So guys, may I know, what is your formula for your surface area of a cylinder? Apa rumus dia untuk luas permukaan silinder? Anyone? A is equal to what? Now is the time for you to remember your formula, guys. Kena ingat rumus bagi luas permukaan silinder. Yes, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, anyone forget this formula? Boleh komen kat ruangan komen. Siapa dah lupa rumus luas permukaan silinder? Who forget already your surface area formulas for cylinder? This one you need to go back to modern maths, guys. And maths tak ajar yang ni tau. Okay, modern maths ajar. So you need to remember your modern maths formula. I just did the area at school today. Oh, exam or what? Is it exam? Formula page pun tak bagi. Yes, Admaths guys, mereka takkan bagi formula ni. Do you all understand or not? Okay, Admaths will never give you this formula. Okay, pasti takkan bagi. Only modern maths will give you the formula, guys. Okay, hanya mathematic modern sahaja. Okay, are you clear? So must memorize, guys. Kena ingat. Okay, so now, let me think and see. Okay, so you can substitute the information. Okay, kamu boleh gantikan informasi. Okay, so just substitute all your informations over here. Okay, so radius, this one, surface area, this one. Okay, so when you sub, you will get this one as your formula. Okay, kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, so now, may I know, this value is how much, guys? Can anyone tell me? Apa nilai yang saya bulatkan tu? So this is the time you must use your surd rule. Okay, kamu kena tahu cara guna hukum surd. So anyone? What is the answer? Are you sure? Is it 12? Yes, 16 times 3, guys. Okay, remember, kuasa 2 boleh kembang kepada dua-dua nombor. You can expand the number 2 inside. What rule is this, guys? Do you remember this rule? Just now only I told you all. This is the rule we are using over here. Ini petua dia. Can you all see it? Very clear, right? So this one, 16. Then this one is 3. Okay, bila kamu nampak puca kuasa 2 dan kuasa 2 boleh potong. Okay, just cut your square root and power 2. So you take the number inside. So answer 48. Settle. Okay? Alright. So now you can start press calculator already. Okay, so means that you must try to express your H. Am I right? Kamu kena ungkapkan yang ni. So how? Okay, so when you rearrange, you will get this answer. Okay, kamu akan dapat jawapan macam ni setelah susun. Okay, after you arrange everything. Pi you can cut guys. Okay, sebab pi kamu nampak kat semua sebutan. So you just cut off the pi. Okay, so now, can I leave my final answer like this, guys? Yes or no? Cannot. Guys, pi you must write like this, guys. Jangan tulis dalam exam macam ni, Wah, I never see this kind of people write like this before. Siapa pernah tulis macam ni dalam exam? Boleh cakap dalam ruangan komen tak? Type me if you write pi like this in your exam. Anyone? Very weird lah, guys. If you write like this. Don't have, right? Lucky don't have. Okay, so cannot write like this. Oh, form 2. Never mind lah. Form 2 still excusable. Still very young. Can use symbol. Yes, of course must use symbol. This is the symbol for pi, guys. Pi, guys. Pi kamu kena guna symbol ni. Oh, if the question never say, then you must use this. Okay? So you see this question over here. They never mention, right? Anything about pi. Mereka tak cakap guna pi sama dengan apa. They never use any value. So you need to use the exact value. Nilai sebenar pi in your calculator. Okay? Alright. So now, can I leave my final answer like this? Yes or no? PK guys, boleh tak saya tinggalkan macam yang ni saja? Okay, always remember, cannot have surd at the denominator. Okay, tak boleh ada apa-apa surd. Okay, so means that you must just use your conjugate surd. Okay, rasionalkan penyebut pecahan. Okay, rationalize denominator, then you just start expand. Okay, kembangkan saja, then you will get this answer finally. Guys, the steps in between, you all okay, right? Langkah kat tengah-tengah saya tak perlu tunjukkan. You all are clear, right? How to do all that. Okay, that one all algebra only lah. Okay, hanya bahagian algebra saja. Okay? Alright. So, next one. Kalau siapa-siapa ada soalan, tolong tanya. Jangan senyap. If you guys got question, don't understand, you just ask only. Okay, so now, another showing question, guys. Satu lagi kali. Soalan buktikan. So guys, how to show this? May I know? Think and see. Which part should I start first? Should I start from left-hand side? This one or this one? Left or right? Kiri atau kanan? Saya kena mula. Anyone? Think and see. Actually, this is very simple. It's not that hard one. Okay, Ken? No problem. Ken? All right. So if you say start from right-hand side, it will be slightly more difficult. Dia akan sedikit susah. Okay, so my preference is actually start from the left-hand side, guys. Saya akan mula dari sebelah kiri. Okay, why? When you see like this, guys, how can you change this? Kenapa? Macam mana saya boleh tukar yang ni, guys? Try to think and see. Anyone? Yes, you can separate two. Am I right? Log KP plus log KQ. So now, you refer this information. The information is not exact. Dia tak sama. But what can we do over here, guys? How do we switch the base and the number? Macam mana kita tukar asas dan nombor dia? Kita guna apa? What is the concept? We can use 1 over 1 per. Okay, just now I forget to mention this one. Saya lupa bagi tahu apa hukum yang ni. Okay, there is one rule guys where you can switch the position. Do you all remember this? Ingat tak yang ni? This hukum. Very important also. Form 4 itself don't remember. Guys, if Form 4 itself don't remember, how can I expect my dear Form 5 here remember? Macam mana saya boleh bagi harapan Form 5 boleh ingat Form 4? Kalau Form 4 pun tak boleh ingat. Guys, come on lah. Okay, Form 4 especially. You just only learn this. Not even 1 year, you know. Imagine you come Form 5, I think you totally forget this chapter already lah. You only learn 10 topics, guys, in Form 4. Minus 2. The last 2 is optional. 8 topics only you all learn. Not given. I think this one given. But I will always encourage to memorize. Okay, sebab dia akan jimat masa berbanding selak ke depan. Okay, you can save some time if you direct remember. No, this is actually Form 5, but I mix the Form 4 inside also. Okay, since Form 4 wants some quick revision for their end year. So this is actually mainly for Form 5. Okay, majority untuk Form 5 saja yang akan SPM, ulang kaji. When I was in Form 4, my NMATS was very good, and out of nowhere I became shit in NMATS. It's very normal one because Form 5 is harder. Am I right? You have to juggle so many subjects, and the topic also is harder in Form 5. So you need to find a way lah to revise back all your concepts. Okay, means you do more question. Buat lagi banyak soalan. There, you see, people from bad can go to D. Okay, it's no problem one, guys. It's all about consistency only. My Form 5 legit grades were like first exam A+, C+, trial E. Don't worry. Even though it go down, right, it doesn't represent your actual grade in the SPM. Don't worry. SPM, you can still shoot up back. Last year, I was scoring A solid. Yes, of course lah, guys. In Form 4, you only learn the Form 4 topic. Am I right? In Form 5, you have to learn the Form 4 and also the Form 5 topic. So which one harder, guys? Form 5, right? Form 5, right? Lebih susah untuk semua subjek. Because dia akan mix Form 4 topic masuk juga. Tapi Form 4, kamu hanya fokus Form 4. You only learn the Form 4 topic. So of course, in Form 4, you will score better generally compared to Form 5. My trial result hancur because of AdMaths. Don't worry. Now you take revenge lah on AdMaths. If you think it hancur you in trial AdMaths, you take revenge in SPM lah. Simple, right? You must take it as your motivation to fight and change the grade in SPM. Not really every day lah. It's mainly for SPM only. Since the SPM student, right? Mainly this is for Form 5, so that's why I'm gonna come back. Okay, guys, focus back here. If you want to come back your AdMaths, focus here. Kena focus apa yang saya ajar. Okay, so now log PK. Log PK, your information is A. Am I right? So it's 1 over A. Log QK is B. So you can write as 1 over B. So now, how do we get these guys? Macam mana dapat yang ni? Can, right? You just combine to become a single fraction. Am I right? Kamu gabung dua-dua pecahan ni jadi pecahan tunggal. So you get? Settle. Do you get the answer? Yes? Same. Nampak tak, guys? Simple or not proving? Siapa kata soalan buktikan tu susah, guys? Who tell you proving so hard? So simple lah. It's even simpler than the normal question. Soalan biasa sebenarnya lebih susah. Bukan soalan buktikan. Sebab soalan buktikan dah ada jawapan, guys. Proving they already have the answer there. You just need to get the answer. Other question you don't have the answer. Am I right? Lain soalan tak ada jawapan. Buktikan dah ada jawapan. Susah tanpa se. Very smart lah you. Guys, exam kamu lah. Tak kira lah kamu belajar dengan saya ataupun belajar dengan cikgu kamu. Any teacher also. Exam you guys will do with your teacher's help or your help? May I ask you? Adakah cikgu kamu akan bantu kamu masa SPM? Will your teacher come and help you during SPM? No matter who is the teacher, you learn lah. At the end of the day, it's you. Am I right? Hari-hari kamu lah yang akan tulis kertas. So kamu kena tahu macam mana nak buat. Bukan bergantung pada mana-mana cikgu. You cannot rely on teacher one. You must rely on yourself. Only yourself can save you. Okay, not no one else one. God also cannot save you lah, guys, if you don't work hard. Am I right? God also won't save you one. Buan quotes. Next time you record this kind of quotes, right, guys, then you keep as a memory so that you always remember what I say. When I talk something motivational, kamu record saja dan simpan. So that kamu ingat. Yes, I know it's recorded, but I mean for yourself, not for me. Okay, for yourself. Okay. So now next question, guys. How to do this? First step, kena buat apa? May I know? First step, of course, is you must do the conversion. Am I right? Kamu kena tukarkan sesuatu kat sini. So what do we convert, guys? Okay, ln. First one. Ln is equal to, yes. Okay, log base E. Okay, remember, guys, this one, very important. Okay, so you can convert log form to index form. Okay, tukar dari bentuk log ke bentuk index. Alright, so you will get something like this. So now they ask you to give the answer. So answer, guys. Answer, are they asking you to find E or find X? Kamu kena cari mana kat sini? E atau X? Which one? Of course, X lah. Okay. So X equal to 1 over E cube. Okay. So now you must press your calculator, guys. Kena tekan calculator. Alright. So you see the word ln, right? Over here. So you just press shift ln. Shift ln saja. So you will get E power. Then you fill the number. The number is 3 equal. So you get this value. Dapat jawapan ni. Then 1 over answer. So this is your final answer, guys. Jawapan akhir. Okay, so now based on this answer, they ask 4SF, guys. 4 angka bererti. So can anyone type out for me what is the correct answer? E4SF, 4 angka bererti. Yang ni kamu kena faham apa maksud 4 angka bererti. Banyak orang tak faham yang ni. A lot of people don't understand what is meant by 4SF. So do you all know or not? Yes, very good. Okay, so the answer is 0.04979. Okay, make sure you can only have one answer. Satu jawapan saja diterima. Okay, because the question already say 4SF. Okay, boleh guys? Faham? Do you understand this question? Can, right? Okay, so can means continue. Okay, so this one, they ask you to find the value of K, guys. Cari nilai K. Okay, so first step, what do you see over here? What is the main thing you notice over here that you can change? Yes, that's it. Okay, guys. So can you see all these numbers over here? 81, 3, 27, 9. We can change this all to base what, guys? Kita boleh tukar ni jadi asas apa? May I know? They all have a common base. Yes. Okay, 81 is 3 power 4. 27 is 3 power 3. 9 is 3 power 2. So you can convert everything to base 3. That is our main aim, guys. Always convert to the same base. Tukar kepada asas sama. Whether your question index or your question is log, same concept. Change to the same base. Always. Okay? Alright. So now, since you have the cert, it look very confusing, right? Never mind. You do it slowly. Okay, so 81, you change 3 power 4. Okay, then you have a cert. Am I right? Okay, so cert, you can multiply by half. Am I right? Okay, kali setengah. And then you have the number 27, guys. 27 is 3 power 3. Okay? But then you have 2 square roots. Bila kamu ada 2 punca kuasa 2, guys. Means what? Dia maksud apa sebenarnya? Is power 1 over 4. 1 over 4. Okay, because square root punca kuasa 2 adalah yang ni. If you have 2 square roots, 2 punca kuasa 2, means this one you need to power 2. 2 times, 2 kali. So that's why I get 1 over 4. Do you understand how the 1 over 4 come? Because you have 2 square roots. Okay? Alright. So you just need to times by 3 over 4. Okay, boleh guys? The 1 over 2 is because of the 3 over here. Okay, can you see this, guys? Kuasa 3 ada 1 punca kuasa 2. Okay, so this one is actually 3 power half. Okay, so this is where you get the half. Can you all see it? This is the concept. So then you can solve the question already. Boleh selesaikan dah. Okay, so you just need to find your value of K. So your answer will look something like this. Okay, so you will get K equal to 21 over 8. Okay, over here you just compare the indices only. bandingkan indeks saja. Okay, and then you solve your equation. Boleh? Can, right? Simple, right? So only 2 marks. 2 markah saja. Alright? Okay, so next one. Question B. They ask you to determine the price after 6 years. Selepas 6 tahun. So guys, may I know what value will you substitute here? Kamu akan ganti apa kat sini? This is daily life question also. Soalan aplikasi harian. So anyone? What is the value you substitute? 6 years. 6 tahun. Yes. Okay, so T is equal to 6. Okay, gantikan saja dalam kat sini. Count the answer. Settle. Okay, so your answer just press calculator only. So you will get this as your final answer. Okay. Hey, wait, guys. Okay. So yeah, this is for question B1. Okay, so next one. They ask you to find the minimum number of years. Minimum bilangan tahun. So guys, the question here want you to find what? They want you to find your T or they want you to find the RM? Yes. Okay, you must find the T, guys. Kamu kena cari nilai T for this one. So your RM is 30,000 less than, lebih kurang. Okay, so your equation will look something like this. Okay, ini adalah persamaan kamu. So you just make it less than 30,000. Okay, so how do we solve this kind of question, guys? Very common one. You will see this kind of question in SPM. Very good. Always, guys, when you see a power, the only way you can solve a power is log. Nothing else. Okay, tak ada apa-apa lain konsep boleh bantu kamu cari nilai T. Okay, because only the log can help you to bring down the power. Am I right? Okay, you're using this formula over here, guys. A log BC is equal to log BC power A. Now we are doing the reverse concept, guys. Kita buat terbalik. Do you guys understand? This is the concept over here. Alright, of course you don't see a log here, guys lah. Kamu dah nampak log kat sini. But you must add the log. Okay, kamu kena tambah secara sendiri. Okay? So guys, may I know can we use ln or not over here? Bolehkah saya nak guna ln kalau tak mau log? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, boleh. Can. Okay, you want to use ln or log? Both also same. They will give you the same answer. Tak percaya, kamu cuba. If you don't believe, you try and see. You will get the same answer. It's just the calculation step is different. Okay? So for this question, they use log. Okay, so of course, if they never write the what's the base, guys, may I know? Kalau mereka tak tulis apa-apa, dia adalah asas? Yes, 10. Okay, selalu ingat, it's always base 10. Okay, so you can just press calculator. Okay, so T is less than. Okay, so now, guys, you must be careful a bit. Okay, this one, a lot of people wrong. Guys, may I know? Log 0.8. Is it a positive or negative value? Boleh saya tahu nilai itu. Kamu tekan calculator dan nampak. Do I get a positive or negative answer? Log 0.8. Yes. So guys, bila kamu pindah nombor negatif ke sebelah kanan, apa yang perlu saya buat? If I shift a negative number to the other side, what happened to my symbol ketaksamaan? My inequality sign? Yes. Always remember, must change the symbol, guys. Okay, kena tukar symbol. A lot of people forget this. So their final answer will wrong already. Okay, so you must change the symbol become like this. Okay, so now you press calculator. Okay, one by one. Okay, so when you press and see, you will get okay, so you get 4.2. Okay, 3 greater than 4.2. So guys, what will be the final answer? Apa jawapan akhir? Of course, you will take 5 lah. Okay, kamu akan ambil 5 because they have greater than, lebih besar. So you must round off to the next number. Bundalkan. How to get log 0.3846? Oh, this one is you shift the 78,000 to the right hand side. 30,000 over 78,000 is 0.3846. Okay? Can? That's all. All right. So next one. Okay, so for question number 3, they say the car value depreciate by 65%. Okay, dia berkurang lah 65%. Okay, so they want you to count the value of the car. All right. So now, okay, so can we use this formula, guys? Yes or no? What do you all think? Adakah kita masih boleh guna rumus ni untuk soalan nombor 3? Yes or no? Think logic and tell me. Can we use it? Anyone? Come on. I need your comment. Can we use it or not? Boleh tak kita guna rumus ke atas? Cannot. Okay, tak boleh guys. It must be a new formula. Not necessary. You cannot see the word if and think that you must use new formula. Okay, not like that. You must see the situation. Okay, nampak situasi soalan. Okay, so over here, he buy the car in 2018. Am I right? Okay, so I assume this is the one after 6 years. Okay, saya anggap dia adalah selepas 6 tahun lah. Okay, so your starting price actually must be your answer in part A1. Okay, kamu kena mula dengan jawapan tadi. Just now you get this answer, right guys? A1. So this is your starting value now. Okay, kamu kena mula dengan nilai ni. Alright, because you see here, right? Over here they say 6 years. You all see guys? Mereka tulis 6 tahun kat sini. And then over here they say 7th year. Tahun ke-7. So guys, which value should we use? Of course, the latest value lah for the 6th year. Am I right? Tahun ke-6 punya nilai that we count just now. So now you need to start with this. Okay, second step, they say depreciate, berkurang. So guys, what is the, the format I should write the answer? Actually, you can use back the same formula over here. The format is exactly the same. Kamu boleh tulis macam tu. So if they say depreciate 65%, means 0.65. So now, what is my T value? Anyone? Apa nilai T saya kat sini? Think and see guys. What is the T value over here? Anyone? Come on. I need your answer guys. Apa nilai T? Okay. Think and see carefully guys. Think very carefully first and see. Yes. Okay, the T value here is actually 3 guys. Okay, nilai T adalah 3. Okay, so why is it 3? Okay. Not 9 guys. Kamu tak boleh ambil beza tahun You cannot take 2027 minus 2018. Yes, very good. Okay, you must take the difference of the 2 years. Okay, because you want to see how much it depreciate from this value. Am I right? Kamu nak tahu nilai dia selepas penyusutan dari nilai yang ni. Okay, so the time period from 2018 to 2027 is 9 years. Okay, 9 tahun. And then just now, already got 6 years guys. Dah ada 6 tahun. So baki, the remainder of years is 3. So that's why you must substitute T equals to 3. If you substitute 9, means that you over consider the value already. Kamu dah terlebih jangka nilai dia. You must only substitute T equal to 3. Okay, because it's repetitive. If you substitute the T equal to 9. Do you get me guys? So you must take the difference. This one very tricky one. Okay, sangat susah soalan ni. Okay, because you can refer over here 7th year and onwards. After 7 year. Okay, just now already 6 year, right? Tadi dah 6 tahun. So now 2018 to 2027, 9 years. 9 tahun. So after 7th year, 7 to 9, how many years? 3 years, right? 7 tahun sampai 9 tahun. That's why T equal to 3. That's the concept. Okay? So your answer will get like this. Okay, so you just press calculator only and get the answer. Okay? Boleh guys? Can, right? Okay, so can we continue some more? Pergi lagi We see more type of question. Okay, so for this one, look simple, nampak mudah. So they ask you to simplify. So how we simplify this guys? Anyone? Macam mana nak permudahkan yang ni? Try to think and see. Yes, very good. The bottom I can change it to 6 power 3. Okay. Okay, so now what must we modify over here? If you look everything and see. Okay, so one concept you guys can think over here is you can split. Okay, kamu boleh pisahkan guys. Okay, 216 you split to this one and you split to this one. Am I right? Okay, so you will get like this over 6 power 3 plus 6a plus 3 over 6 over 6 power 3. Boleh? Do you guys understand this step? Can, right? Very logic, right? Okay, so now you can use your indices rule. Boleh guna hukam index, guys. So when the power is minus, simbol apa? Kuasa tolak, boleh jadi bahagi. Am I right? You will change it to divide. Okay, so you will get 6a over 6 square over 6 cube. Something like this. So means that these two you can combine tadi. Okay, kamu boleh darab. You times these two value together. Okay, so 63 times 6 square, the answer is 7776. Okay, same for this one. 6a times 6 cube over 6 cube. So dua ni potong lah. You can cancel. Alright, so you will get at the bottom some more. Okay, so you have 6 power a over 7776 plus 6 power a. So macam ni sekarang jawapan dia. Okay, so can I simplify some more? Boleh tak saya permudahkan lagi? Can? I can combine them become one fraction. Okay, saya gabung mereka jadi satu pecahan tunggal. Okay, so my answer will look something like this. Can you all see, guys? Can, right? Okay, then you notice something. The top part is similar. Okay, kamu ada faktor sepunia. You have a common factor, 6 power a. So I take it out. Then you have 1 plus 776 inside over 776. So now, final answer, jawapan akhir you will get like this. Am I right? So do you guys understand macam mana buat soalan ni? So this is your final answer. Okay, you cannot simplify some more di. Tak boleh permudahkan lagi dah. Okay, so kena henti kat sini. Alright? So this is how you will get the mark. Okay, 3 markah. 3 marks. Okay, boleh kan? Can, right? Okay, so next one. Soalan seterusnya. Okay, so for this one, they ask you to determine whether this one is a cert or not. So guys, this one is fact question. Soalan fakta. So yes or no? Very simple. Ya atau tidak? Think and see. Is it a cert or not? Anyone? Ya atau tidak? Got different answer already. Okay, some more. Okay, so majority say no. Okay, correct. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, guys, always remember cert is an irrational number. Okay, cert tu adalah nombor bukan rasional. Okay, maksud dia apa? Kamu akan dapat perpuluhan sampai ke infinity. Okay, you will get decimal until infinity. So that is the meaning of a cert or irrational number. Okay, so this one you will get an exact value. Am I right? Kamu akan dapat nilai sebenar, iaitu 4, nombor bulat. Okay, so cannot, tak boleh. Okay, because the reason is the value is an integer. Okay, nilai dia adalah integer. Okay, we call this as integer, guys. Okay, can, right? Okay, so next one. Okay, how to solve this, guys? Sangat senang, right? Okay, I think you guys should be able to do it. Wait, let me hide the answer. This bottom question very hard, guys. Yang bawah ni susah about the circle. Okay, so for this one, how to solve? Okay, so again, you shift the ln. Am I right? Okay, pindah ln macam ni. Then you solve for the x. E power 6 plus 5 over 3. Tekan calculator saja. Just press and get the answer. Okay, so jawapan dia akan macam ni. Okay, so far 1 or 2, guys. 1 atau 2. I never see your number so long already. Until this part, do you understand? Can, right? Okay, so this one you can give 2 ways. Your answer boleh bagi secara perpuluhan ataupun tinggal macam ni pun boleh. 2 ways you can write the answer. Log XX. How many times have to see that thing? Log XX. Next time when I go to the other chapter, you don't tell me some more log XX. I don't understand already after that. Okay, so now this question, show. Soalan buktikan. Sekali lagi, guys. Another showing question. Okay, so how do I show this? Okay, this one quite hard. Okay, so first step, you must just label all the information. Okay, so circle J. Okay, you just assume this the center. Okay, so radius. Wait, okay, so your radius is 6. Okay, so assume center. This one is 6. And then circle K, radius 3. Okay, So usually, right, guys, you must understand that this type of question, we always want to form the trapezium one. Kita nak bentuk trapezium. That is our main aim over here, guys. Okay, matlamat utama kita. Alright? Okay, so now, whenever you form the trapezium, you can cut the trapezium into two shapes. Kamu boleh potong dia jadi dua bentuk. Okay, so how do we cut it? We are going to cut it at here, guys, so that we can form a right angle triangle. Boleh faham? Can you all see this? So what is this value, guys? Apa tinggi segitiga dia? What is the height of the triangle? Anyone? Think and see. Apa ketinggian segitiga? What is the height? Yes. Okay, the height is 3. Okay, because total 6 minus 3. Okay, so that's why the answer is 3, correct? Okay, so now you can find this length. Am I right? How to find this length? Macam mana cari panjang yang ni? Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so you just take square root 9 square minus 3 square. Okay, this one the total is 9 minus 3. Okay, so kamu akan dapat panjang yang ni. Okay, alright, so now you must think of the concept. The question is to show the radius R. Okay, so radius R is the small circle. Okay, bulatan kecil. Okay, so the value is R. Okay, so now what is the concept? You all can think. Can anyone think and see? What is the concept over here? Anyone? Macam mana saya nak buktikan kat sini? Okay, again, you're going to use one formula over here. Kamu akan guna satu rumus kat sini. Can anyone think and see? Okay, this value is surd 72, guys. Okay, so means that this is surd 72. Okay, boleh? So now, how? You guys must think and see. Macam mana? How do I continue the step over here? Okay, so of course, you must think of a way that I can relate surd 72. Am I right? Saya kena fikir cara nak hubungkan surd 72 ni kepada nilai R over here. So think and see. What is the concept over here? Okay, so of course, maybe one method is you compare the horizontal distance. Am I right? Kamu bandingkan secara mendata. So anyone else? Any other method you guys can think? How to prove this? Macam mana nak buktikan yang ni, guys? You guys must think and see before I tell the idea. Anyone? Come on. What's the idea? Macam mana nak cari nilai R? This is the type of question you guys must think. Kena fikir. Hello, guys. Am I talking to ghosts? Adakah saya cakap dengan hantu? How to find R, guys? Macam mana saya boleh cari nilai R dari sini? Fikir. Think and see. What is the concept? What if big circle radius connect with the smaller circle? Okay, Ken? No problem? Thinking, Okay, so I give you guys time to think lah. Bagi masa. Think and see until you get. Make another triangle. Where? Where is your another triangle? Okay, so over here, I give you one hint. You can use the distance formula, guys. Square root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, kamu boleh guna rumus ni, guys, when you're thinking of the idea over here. So I give you a hint already. So now the thing is it locus formula? Okay, Ken? Yes, you can think of locus. So what about it? Ken, the concept is not wrong. So how you want to relate it? You won't GG lah, don't worry. It's not GG. Okay, you must think how to relate the surd 72, guys. That's the most important concept. How am I going to relate the surd 72? Macam mana saya boleh hubungkan surd 72 ni? To be honest, I don't know. Yeah, this is K-Bar. Okay, I show you. Okay. You get the idea from the mark scheme. Okay. So now you already have the radius. Am I right? Okay, it's 3. Cannot give up, guys. Guys, if admits you give up like this, how long you're going to sit for SPM? Am I right? You must think until you get. Kena fikir sampai dapat. Kalau hilang semua rambut pun tak apa. Hilang lah. You lose all your hair, so okay. You must think until you get. Then only you can survive at maths. Itu cara kamu boleh dapat A+. Yes, but now we are discussing, so I cannot leave aside. Am I right? Okay, so now, okay, so you know the small circle radius is R. So basically, you can, sorry. You can connect it with the other circles. Okay, so you just sambung. Okay, just now it was like this. Okay, so now this one also I can sambung. So what can you all see over here? I don't want to have a bald spot at 17. It's okay. I think I did this question back in Form 3 without the smaller circle. Oh, yes. The original question is without smaller circle. No. Nothing to do with area. Okay, this one is R. Okay, so now, what is this length over here, guys? Apa panjang yang ni? Can anyone tell me? Tell me. What is that answer? Anyone? The total. Yes. Okay, 6 plus R. Am I right? 6 tambah R. Okay, same for over here. What is this length, guys? What is that length? Yes, 3 plus R. Okay, so now. Okay, you see, guys. I draw one line over here. Does it make you see something? Wait, sorry, guys. Just now something come. Wait, I go back. Okay, so now do you see something or not, guys? Can you see this? Do you see the Pythagoras theorem suddenly come out? So guys, you can actually find search 72 is equal to what? Equal to this part plus this part. Am I right? So this is the Pythagoras theorem, correct? So what is this value over here, guys? You see carefully. This one. What is this value? The green color. Total radius is 3. Then you have the small circle radius R. So you have what? The green color. It's not 3, 3 is this total. So if you have the small circle down there, radius R, so what is on the top there? Anyone? Think and see. PK. Anyone? Yes, very good. Smart lah you guys. Okay, the answer is 3 minus R. Do you all get it? Sebab yang kecil tu kat bawah ni R. Am I right? And then this total is 3. So the baki on top there, the small part is 3 minus R. Boleh tak? Can you all see it? So now you have this length, 3 plus R. You have this length, 3 minus R. Can I find the other length? Boleh kan? Saya boleh cari yang biru. Am I right? You just use the Pythagoras theorem, guys. Square root 3 plus R square minus 3 minus R square. Boleh? Same for this part. So what is this value, guys? Apa nilai ni? Blue color. Just now 3 minus R. So this one? Berapa? Secara logic. Yes, 6 minus R lah, guys. Because the small part at the bottom here is for the circle. The radius of the circle, R. Oh, frontal lobe is in your ear. Guys, sorry, I don't take bio already. So I forget all those terms already. So please remind me again. Frontal lobe, is it the ear? If not mistaken. Yes, I don't know how to edit these, guys. The shape is so difficult. I also don't know how to edit. Okay. Why is it related to R? Guys, the question asks you to show that R equals to this. Am I right? So definitely I must form an equation that is equal, that has R inside. Logic, right? If your equation don't have R, how are you going to show this? Cannot, right? So that's why I need to relate it. Saya kena hubungkan. Of course, a lot of you won't think of this concept at one shot. Am I right? Banyak orang takkan fikir macam ni first time. After you see this kind of question, you see this type of question again, confirm you know how to do. Am I right? Selepas belajar satu kali, kamu pasti tak boleh lupa dah. Because it's very clear in your mind already. Am I right? So this is how we solve the question, guys. Okay, you can see at the bottom here. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, looks a bit complex lah. Of course, it's complex. I agree. Okay, so over here, make sure you guys simplify. Okay, kena permudahkan. Okay, so you get this one, right? Over here, you just maintain the surd at the denominator. Okay, tak apa. Kalau kamu nampak surd kat denominator, tinggal saja. Okay, so you can cut 2, 6, 3, 2. Okay, you just divide everything by 2. Bagi 2. Depends lah, guys. If your teacher want to take from trial. Guys, this is trial question, you know. Ini adalah soalan trial. Satu negeri. Tahun ni. This year trial lah, guys. So, jangan terkejut kalau nampak soalan ni dalam SPM. Okay, trial question they can ask back in SPM 1. So, at least you know how to do this kind of question. Okay? Pray lah. Your teacher never take from trial. If she take from trial, GG lah. Okay? Alright. So we do one more question lah, guys. Kita buat yang terakhir. Boleh? Can, right? Okay, let me see. Saya tengok mana yang lagi susah. I try to find the hard one to discuss with you all. Yang senang-senang tak payahlah. Let me see. Wow, I think all also you guys can do one. Semua. Okay, we discuss this one lah. This question. I think this one is harder a bit. Yeah, this one looks nice. Okay, kita bincang soalan ni, guys. Yeah, I think this is the best. Okay, last question for today. We look at this question. Question 6A. Okay, so for this question, all right. So how to simplify this, guys? May I know? Macam mana permudahkan yang ni? Satu kelas saja macam ni, guys. Form 4 chapter 4. Takkan ulang dah. So yang ni adalah kelas intensif. Kelas intensif maksudnya satu kelas, satu topik settle. Kita akan pergi sampai topik ke-10. Form 4. Like that. This is the concept of intensive class, guys. It's very fast. I talk everything about the chapter. We do all the question like this. You guys should be okay at it. Macam mana nama elok? Buat lebih banyak latihan. Itu saja, guys. You just need to do more exercise. Okay? Alright. Not sure yet. Because this week 28 to 1st 28 sampai 1 tak ada kelas sebab saya pergi holiday. Okay? I'm going on holiday. So lepas tu kita nampak lah after that December month. Okay? Boleh? Okay, so guys, how to simplify this? May I know? Focus back. So first step, what should I do here? Yes? Change to what base? May I know? Yes. Okay, because you can see, guys, 15 is 3 times 5. Am I right? 27 is what? 3 times 9. So I just change the base. Tukar semua ke asas 3. Okay, so now 3 times 5 is power n. So guys, bila kamu nampak macam ni, when you see like this, what can I modify here, guys? May I know? Just now only I talk about this rule, guys. Baru saja saya bincang yang ni. This kind of format. So what do I do? This one and this one. No, not factorize. Guys, cepat kamu semua lupa. You guys got Alzheimer. So fast can finish already. Don't have the memory. Take 3 out. No. Yes, separate. Very good. Expand the power. Correct. You times the power to all the variable, guys. Okay, make sure remember this format. Very important. Okay, so you get 3 power n, 5 power n, 3 power n, 9 power n. Macam ni lah. Something like this. Okay, then you continue. Okay, so over here you realize 3 power negative n and 3 power n, they will cancel off, guys. Dia akan potong. Okay, because 3 power negative n plus n is 3 power 0. 3 kuasa kosong. So nothing. 1. So that's why final answer 5 power n minus 9 power n. Settle. Simple, right, guys? So short. 9 changed to 3 power 2. Let me see. Can? No problem. You can write here also as 3 power 2n. Boleh. 5 kuasa n tolak 3 kuasa 2n. Jawapan tu pun boleh. Okay? This one also can. Yang ni pun boleh. Alright? So your final answer, this is how you solve it. Can Boleh, right? Masih fighting kan? I feel like your guys' spirit is so low right now. Is my feeling correct, guys? Saya rasa macam semangat kamu sekarang sangat rendah. I don't know lah whether I read correctly or not. 27 cannot 3 power 3. Can? Who say cannot? Can. No matter how you modify, guys, As long as you can come to the final answer, it's okay. Can, no problem. 13 hours. Wow, you sleep 13 hours. Oh my God. How do you have time for revision? Okay, never mind. Come back to this. Okay, guys. For this one, you must find the x. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai x. Okay, so how? May I know? What do I change over here? First one, focus on the left hand side. Tengok belah kiri. Apa saya boleh ubah? Think and see, guys. Yes. Which one? First one or second one? Which cert? Yes. You can change this, guys. Okay. Cert 4x equal to what? That's why I say, guys, your rules are very important. Okay. Hukum kamu sangat penting kat sini. Okay, wait. Okay, so you can split it to become cert 4 times cert x. Am I right? So you use the rule. So this one is equal to 2 cert x. So this is your new term. Okay, ungkapan baru. So you just substitute back lah. 2 cert x minus cert x. Okay, what can we do here, guys? Apa kita boleh buat? Cert kat penyebut pecahan. Cert or denominator. Means that, macam mana boleh factorize? Tak boleh. You cannot factorize, guys. What is the concept? Just now only I told you guys. You must use what? No. Guys, cert at the bottom. We always do what? Yes, rationalize, guys. Okay, merasionalkan penyebut pecahan. Okay, you must use conjugate cert. Always remember this. It's always conjugate cert. Okay, so it become something like this. So you start to expand lah, guys. Mula kembangkan this whole thing one by one. Okay, so when you expand, you must express x lah. Okay, so means that you can factorize. Okay, kamu boleh faktorkan cert x. Actually, the answer this one is cert x. Am I right? Okay, jawapan dia adalah punca kuasa x. So how to get rid of the cert? You square. Okay, kamu kuasa 2, dua-dua belah bersama. Okay, you just square both sides of your equation. So what do you get, guys? You will get 9 cert A plus cert B square over what? So this is time for your conjugate. So conjugate, normally this one you will get A minus B. Okay, but now we have a square on top. So means A tolak B kuasa 2 sajalah. Okay, A minus B whole thing square. Settle lah. So guys, look at your answer now. Nampak jawapan kat sini. Okay, this one. Do you see the similarities? Nampak tak, guys? Persamaan dia. Nampak kan? Okay, so what is your H value, guys? May I know? If you compare these two equations, apa nilai H kamu? They ask you to express H in terms of A and B. Careful, guys. See carefully. Is it only 9? Refer the question carefully. They give you cert A plus cert B square over here. Betul ke? Guys, I think you all sleepy already lah. Kamu semua dah tertidur kot. Guys, your H is this whole thing. Can you all see it? Yes, 9 over A minus. Tolak. Okay, kat bawah tu tolak. Okay, minus B square. Boleh nampak tak, guys? Can you all see it? Okay, yang beri dalam soalan yang ni saja. This one. Okay, so kamu ambil yang lain as your H. Okay, so your answer is H equal to 9 over A minus B square. Something like that. Why power 2? Because my answer on the left hand side is cert x. Originally, cert x. So how to get rid of the cert? I must square both sides. Saya kena kuasa 2, dua-dua belah persamaan. Okay, that's why kat sini ada kuasa 2. Boleh faham? So yang ni kuasa 2. Sorry terpadam. Wait, I show over here. This one. Can you see? Square, square, up and down. Okay, this whole thing is square. Okay, so 3 kuasa 2, 9. Yang ni kuasa 2. And then yang ni adalah A tolak B. A minus B. So A minus B kuasa 2. Faham? Can, right? So H equal to 9 over A minus B square. Okay, so we come to the last question, guys, for today. Soalan terakhir, bahagian C. You guys tired or not? May I know? Letih ke tak? Honest lah, honest. You all comment honestly. Wah, tak ah? Wow, means your resistance is very good. One more. Not bad. Means you're addicted to Admaths already. Okay. Ketagih dengan Admaths. Okay, so this one. Your question is to find value of P. Okay, cari nilai P. Letih means you must do more exercise to get rid of the letih. You tired every day. What you guys doing so that you tired every day? I might love Admaths ATP or at this point. Oh, you love already. Not bad. Hopefully, I make you love Admaths. Read sejarah. Guys, don't multitask during my class. Guys, kamu kena fokus bila saya ajar. Jangan multitask pula. Tengok Admaths, lepas tu ada buku sejarah kat depan. Apa logik dia, guys? Okay, you cannot study two subjects at the same time. You can only focus on one. Okay? Then can do Admaths while listen Admaths. That one can. If you guys want to practice other question while I teaching, can. As long you do Admaths. Wow, so good you ni. Maths and Admaths campur. This one I respect lah. Really respect. Okay, come here. Don't. Later you go crazy already after that. Okay, so now Q equals ln P plus 1. So you just substitute inside lah your equation. Okay, ln P plus 1 on top. Okay, so you will get phi E ln P plus 1 minus 3 equal to E power negative 2. Okay, now guys, very important concept guys. Listen up Dengar betul-betul. This rule over here. I never talk about this rule yet. Saya tak bincang yang ni lagi. Okay guys. This one over here. Okay, so whenever you got something like this, right? Okay, first step. When you see kuasa tolak, you can split the power. Am I right? So dia jadi bahagi. Okay, you will get divide. Something like this. Okay, equal to E power negative 2. So guys, may I know? Very important. What is this value? Anyone can tell me. Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? Apa nilai yang ni? Recent trend, right? Soalan trial suka tanya yang ni. A lot of trial question ask this. Yes, very good. Always remember when you got E power ln or log also same. Always you just take the number only. Just take the number as your answer for this whole value. Understand? So example, E power ln 2 is equal to 2. Guys, E power log don't have lah. E power log is two different thing already. Log is base 10. Then suddenly you got E. Won't have. They won't have like that. E is usually paired with ln. Okay? They won't pair with log. It's two different thing. Alright? Okay. So how to know this? You just press calculator lah. Yes, guys, this one is a fact. You all must know. Ln E is 1. Ln is log base E. Am I right? So guys, you are applying the concept over here. Log EE equal to 1. Log BB equal to 1. Log AA equal to 1. Same concept. Okay? Alright. So now you can start to solve already lah. It's very simple already. Phi P equals to what, guys? This one is what? Hapus, right? It cancel out. Negative 2, 2. Gone. So equal to 1. E power 0 is 1. So P equal to 1 over 5. So easy lah, guys. Sangat senang kan? So this is your answer. Boleh faham, guys? Do you understand? Today's whole lesson. Senang ke tak? Honestly, you tell me. Indices, surd and logarithm after today's lesson. Senang ke tak? We try, I think, like 6 questions already. 6 soalan. Which part? This one is it. Kamu tak faham yang ni ke? Easy with you. Wow. Not bad. When I do it, yes. Correct. A lot of people, when they do by themselves, you'll find hard one. Yes, no Kodiva. Jawab soalan kamu yang ni ke? Tak faham bahagian ni. Oh, the ln. Oh, yang ni. E power ln 2 sama dengan 2. Wait guys, got some people comment. Exam boleh correct for chapter 4. Yes, must score 1. You have to score this chapter. Doable but so slow when I do myself. Normal lah. When you guys just start to do this chapter, it will be slow. But when you try out many questions, you will get momentum already. So you will start to know how to do it faster when you see the same type of question. Wow, Fatin, first time I see this kind of